Once a cheater, always a cheater. Is really true? Or maybe you are curious about what really counts as cheating in a relationship. Today, we are busting some of the biggest myths about infidelity that you might believe. Stick around because this could change the way you think. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my blog for even more insights. Questions that we will explore today. What really counts as cheating? Is it true that once someone cheats, they will always cheat? Does cheating always mean a relationship is over? Let's break down one by one. This is where things get interesting. Many people think that cheating only means having sex with someone else, but the truth is, cheating can mean different things in different relationships. According to Talal Al-Salim, a clinical psychologist, some couples consider flirting or even close emotional bonds with others as crossing the line. The key here is communication. You and your partner need to be clear about your boundaries early on. Talk about things like sexting, close friendships, or even what you think about watching adult content. If your partner is not willing to have this conversation, that's a big red flag. But wait, what if someone has cheated before? Does that mean they will do it again? This is a myth that can cause a lot of unnecessary stress. Just because someone cheated in the past does not automatically mean they will cheat again. What's important is whether they have worked on the issues that led to cheating in the first place. Al-Salim points out that an affair is not a real relationship. It's usually based on showing the best version of yourself, not the real, messy, three-dimensional person. If someone is serious about their relationship now, they will be focused on building something genuine and lasting. But what if cheating does happen? Does it mean the relationship is automatically over? Have you ever been in a situation where you had to rebuild trust after infidelity? Share your own story in the comments below. Your experiences can help others going through the same. It might surprise you, but not every relationship ends because of cheating. In fact, Al-Salim says that some couples who choose to rebuild after an affair end up stronger than ever. Of course, this isn't an easy path. It requires both partners to understand the root cause of cheating and work through the pain together. Forgiveness does not come easy, and trust has to be earned. This might mean being more transparent than ever, sharing locations, passwords, and being open about your actions that prove there is nothing to hide. But if both partners are committed for the right reasons, the relationship can heal and grow. Can a relationship actually become stronger after such a betrayal? Let's explore this further. Believe it or not, some relationships do emerge stronger after infidelity. How? It's all about how the couple chooses to respond to the crisis. If both partners decide to confront the issue head on, communicate openly, and work together to rebuild what was lost, the relationship can become more resilient than ever. This process involves deep introspection, understanding each other's needs better, and setting new boundaries. It's like rebuilding a house. Sometimes you need to tear down the old, weak structure to build something more solid and lasting. But how exactly can couples rebuild trust after such a betrayal? Rebuilding trust after cheating is a delicate process, and it doesn't happen overnight. The first step is transparency. The unfaithful partner should be willing to be more open about their actions, whereabouts, and even communication. Sharing passwords, being honest about daily activities, and having open discussions about feelings can help rebuild the lost trust. It's also essential to seek professional help if needed. A counselor or therapist can guide the couple through this difficult time. offering tools and strategies to cope with the pain and move forward. What do you think? Do you agree with these points or do you have a different perspective? Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts inspire me to make more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. You can also check out the videos that are on the screen if you have liked this one. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.